Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. So, today we're going to see how to paint on leather. Sounds interesting, right? This is what we're going to paint today. So, all we need is a leather surface, some acrylic paints and brushes. So before we start, I've used brushes where the hair is spread when you apply a little bit pressure on the hair. Let's get started. Let me tell you about the consistency first. I've taken acrylic colors directly. If you feel it's too thick to apply directly, mix a little amount of water to the paint. It's very difficult to work with paint which is very thin or has too much water in it. Leather is very different from canvas. It has textures on the surface. So if the paint is very thin, it will spread. Besides, during the first layer, leather also absorbs the thin paint. So you will have to apply more layers in this case. You can always use this trick for a good abstract painting. If the paint spreads, there's no need to worry. You can simply wipe it off with a dry cloth or use a dry brush to clean it. Other than this, acrylic paints or leather is just like acrylic on canvas. You can add layers, shade the colors, mix colors and add glitters as well. So here, as you can see, I've painted the flower using white and grey. For the stem, I've used green and white. For the grass, I've used black. Again, it's the same colors. Many people scrape the leather before painting on it. For scraping leather, sandpaper is much advisable. If you already have a drawing ready, you can scrape the part where you will be applying the paint. But if you choose to paint directly like me, it's not possible. Plus, if you directly paint like what I've done here, sometime later, if you wish to change the design, you can simply apply a plain paint on the already existing design, let it dry and make a new design. But if you scrape out the leather and make a painting upon it, then that's not possible. Then you can't change the design later on. This will make the leather surface look very bad. So scraping is advisable only if you will never change the design again. So I'm just adding a few strokes, as you can see. So you can try out different designs of your choice and make this leather look really good. Now here, I've used acrylic metallic colors for the leaf. I just wanted to demonstrate that it's super easy to paint on leather with any kind of acrylic paints. You can even use oil paints, but oil paints will take a lot of time to dry and will not look as vibrant as acrylic paints. Acrylic paints are really vibrant and give a beautiful effect to the painting. That's it. So beautiful and so easy. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our content. Thanks for watching.